Hi guys, welcome to Data Talk with Ifine. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about key ideas in data analytics. So basically, there are several ideas in data analytics, but I'll be mentioning few key ideas that can keep you running as a data analyst. So the first in my list is called data ethics. Data ethics simply means being responsible, being honest with the information in your possession. As a data analyst, before you jump into any project, of course, you will be given a data set. This data set might consist of customers' privacy, might consist of a company's private informations and all that. You make sure this information is being kept and only used for the reason it was given to you for. And make sure you are not biased, you don't misuse the information. You let your data and your findings be exact replica of the data set you were given. So moving next, the next in my list is data visualization. This simply means representation of information in visual form, like graph, like charts, and dashboard, of course. So this is how you represent your data, your findings, your analysis in visual form. It makes it easier for everyone, your board, your employer, to easily see insights, draw conclusions and patterns towards your findings. So the next in my list is called critical thinking. Critical thinking is very important because as a data analyst, you should have critical thinking. Critical thinking here means asking the right question, being up to date, try to know everything that is there to know in the project you're about to start. Also trying to verify information. Don't assume. Assumption is not needed here. You only work with data and facts. So critical thinking has to do with just that. Ask the right question, try to know the problem you're about to jump into and how best to solve it. Don't assume. Work with your data. So the next in my list is communication. Communication is very, very important in all spheres of life, not just data analytics. In anything you are doing, you should be able to communicate it to everyone, maybe your employer or your board. Take for instance, you are given a project to build a report or a dashboard that covers a year sales, or monthly sales. So you are good at analyzing, you've done your analytics and all that is clean and neat. Your dashboard and all that also clean and neat, but you don't know how to communicate this thing to your board or to your employer. That is a big blow because communication is key. And if your employer or anyone can't see insights, can't see the information you're trying to drive at, can't see solutions, can't see patterns and trendings, that means you did a wrong work. So make sure you work on your communication skill if you're having issue with that, and be simple and clear in delivering information. Take away complexity from anything you are doing. You should be simple and clear. So the last on my list is called continuous learning. Continuous learning is very, very important because as time goes on, there's always the need for new tools. There's advancement in our learning method and practice. So it's good as a data analyst to stay relevant, you stay efficient by learning new tools and making your work easier. I'll be using myself as an example in this particular case because when I was learning data analytics, I was told that Excel is all I need because it's the basics and all that. So, which I did. I learned Excel very well. Not until I started using Power BI, then I saw how important it's good to advance with tools. So, guys, I've mentioned 5 key ideas in data analytics, which will keep you as a data analyst going. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment, as subsequent video will be posted in due time. Bye, guys.